Okay, this is Elliot, and he's going to tell us the names of all of his trains. Elliot, how old are you?
2.
2, that's right. Okay, start right here. Tell us who these are.
Billy
Billy,
and Julius
George,
and Betty
Bertie,
and Bessie
Percy,
and Bessie
Percy,
and Cliff, Coach
yeah, Coach,
and Coco
Kokar,
and Coach,
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 Coach. You forgot the one in the middle. Who's this?
James,
James,
Coach, and Salty,
Salty,
and Rosie,
Rosie,
and Gorgeous Coco, and Bill,
Bill,
and Ben,
Ben.
and Tabasco,
Is there Topham Hatt's car?
and Ray,
Lady,
and Diesel Tank,
Diesel 10,
and Gordon,
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 and Henry,
Henry,
and Success Coco,
James is Kokar,
and Stanley,
Stanley,
and Squiff,
Scruff,
and Toby,
Toby,
and Kevin,
Kevin,
Thomas,
Thomas. Okay, go around.
James says Coco,
James is Kokar,
Thomas,
Thomas,
and Henry's Coco,
Henry's Kokar,
and Becco,
the bad car. Let's see why it's a bad car. It's got a skull on it. Okay,
and Spencer,
Spencer,
and Spencer's Tank Coco,
Spencer Kokar,
and Max,
Max,
Diesel,
Diesel,
and Steam Engine,
Steam Engine,
and Diesel,
Diesel again.
and
Oh, those aren't Thomas engines. That's a karaoke machine.
Karaoke Machine,
Yeah.
and Basco,
Okay, so start with this one.
and Yoki Coach, Yoki, Yoki Machine, Basco, Fireman, Thomas, and A. Coinbell, and Carco, and Basco, and more and Miss Boost, and